Hi everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to attract money using plants. Plants are very important for our house Feng Shui and have many important functions. Number 1, plants can help attracting auspicious qi or energy and inviting wealth into our house. Number 2, plants can purify the air and balance yin and yang, creating a harmonious feng shui environment. Number 3, plants can block shy qi or sharp energy from entering the house. Number 4, plants belong to wood element of the 5 elements. They can be used as remedies in many situations. When designing feng shui layout, plants can be very useful to help creating a good external and internal feng shui environment. Today, I will talk about how to use plants to attract wealth into your house. Let's first start with external feng shui layout. A good feng shui layout needs to have strong support at the back. For example, there should be mountains or tall buildings behind the house. If in your case there are no mountains or tall buildings, then you can use trees to transform our feng shui environment by planting a row of tall trees along the back of the house to provide support and protection. As we have learned in the previous video that the left-hand side of the house represents the green dragon, the right-hand side of the house represents the white tiger, the back of the house represents the black turtle, and the front of the house represents the red phoenix. There should also be buildings on the left and right-hand side of the house where the green dragon and white tiger are located. However, if there's nothing on either side or both sides of the house, then we can plant tall trees on each side to create a green dragon and white tiger layout. So why do we need to create a layout of green dragon and white tiger? Well, its real function is to help collecting the auspicious qi or energy and inviting wealth into the house. Just like a person, the trees on both sides of the house are like the arms of a person that embrace fortune and bring them towards the house. Another reason why we also need tall trees at the back of the house is because when the wealth energy enters the house from the front yard, it cannot easily flow out of the house from the backyard because the trees at the back can help collecting the wealth energy. This is why it's necessary to have trees at the back and on both sides of the house. The land in front of the house should be a little bit lower and with water or road in the front. In the front yard, there should also be a barrier so that wealth energy would not easily flow out. For example, we can plant a row of plants in the front to keep the wealth energy around the house. This barrier of plants can also prevent sharp energy on the road from entering the house. After the wealth energy enters the front yard, we also need to place some potted plants on both sides of the front door. This feng shui layout can lead positive energy flowing into the house through the front entrance. However, it's important to note that the direction of the front door is very important. If the front door direction is the correct direction, then energy that flows into the house is definitely auspicious qi and wealth energy. Now let's talk about interior feng shui layout. When qi enters the house through the front door, the first thing you see should be a bunch of beautiful flowers to welcome the wealth energy and let the energy to flow slowly into each room of your house. In the living room, the most suitable indoor plants are the ones with large, round-shaped leaves. This is because the shape of the leaves symbolize wealth. Remember, do not place plants with sharp edges, as this can create sharp energy and is not good feng shui. In the money corner of the living room, we can place a money tree in the money corner to enhance the wealth energy. If you want to find out exactly where is your money corner in your living room, please check out my previous video to learn how to find your money corner step by step. When Chi gets into the study, the Chi likes to see lucky bamboos. The best number of lucky bamboos should be 1 or 4, as both numbers represent wisdom and wealth. This is great Feng Shui for your academic achievement and career success. When Chi enters the bathroom, it likes to see a small water plant because water plant can purify the air in the bathroom. However, plants are not suitable in the bedroom because energy from the plants could disturb your sleeping quality. Well, what about artificial plants? Artificial plants are good for decoration, but they cannot attract wealth energy. As Chi flows into each room of the house and reaches the backyard, it would be great if we could plant fruit trees such as orange or mandarin trees, because fruit trees symbolize wealth and abundance. As we can see, plants can harmonize the Qi and balance yin and yang so that wealth energy can flow around the house. Therefore, by designing a good internal and external Feng Shui layout using plants can definitely enhance your wealth, health, and happiness. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.